How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Instagram does not have a specific feature or option that allows you to unfollow all of your following at once. Maybe it will have one in the future, but at the time of this recording, it doesn't. Also, there are a lot of apps and websites that claim that they can unfollow all of your following list at once. However, I would advise you not to use them as they might be scams or harmful to your account because they ask for such personal informations like emails and passwords. So stay away for them. Now, what can you do to unfollow all of your following? As you see right here, I'm following 50%. So if I wanted to unfollow all of them at once, what will I need to do? Now, the most easiest and straightforward option is to just unfollow all of them manually. As you see, it's a very fast process like this. If you spare like few minutes in your day here and there, you can follow a bunch of accounts and will be able to unfollow all of your following list in no time. Now, keep in mind that if you wanted to do this the manual way, uh, just set yourself to a limit count. For example, just do it for a few minutes, few times a day, then stop doing it. You don't want to keep doing it, or Instagram will note you as spam activity and might suspend you or block your account. So just follow few account here and there across the day and you will be able to do that. Now, the second option, which I do not prefer, but maybe you can use it, maybe it'll work for you, is to contact the support team. So click on those three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy, then scroll down till you find this more info and support section, then click on help, click report a problem, click report problem to continue, click include and continue, and here uh, you want to message the Instagram support team and ask them to unfollow a lot of all of your following list. Tell them, for example, that I have followed a lot of accounts, and it will take. I don't have the time to unfollow all of them as I'm a busy person or professional. Yeah. And yeah, they will help you. You can even send them a screenshot to you how big to show them how big your following list is, and they will get back to you. Once you're done, click on send, and after a few business days they will get back to you, and yeah, they might solve your problem. But I do prefer the first option, which is the manual way, as it's the only way that works right now, so you might as well just use it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.